So if you've got a really dirty car, what better way to get it washed than getting the fireman to do it?
Oh, my Defender is disgusting. The roof is utterly minging. You have to get on a step ladder to clean it. And my driveway is on a slope, so no chance.
Let's go get it washed.
So in the UK, there's a firefighters charity car wash all over the country, different times of the year at different fire stations. And for a donation, the firemen and women will wash your car for you. The amount of crud that you get on a Defender, and it takes ages. There's so many small nooks and crannies on a Defender. It's a bit of a pain washing it, to be honest. But these guys properly went to town. The guy said to us, "You're here early," and we were there pretty much 5 minutes before opening on a Sunday morning. And we said, when you got kids, young kids, you're basically waiting for everything to open on a Sunday so you can go and do stuff with them. But they got stuck into it. First car of the day. So the money all goes in aid of the firefighters charity, which helps injured firefighters. So if you're in the UK and you feel like bunging them a few quid and letting the kids play on the fire engines and getting your car washed after you've been off-roading, then take a look at their website and you see if there's one happening near you soon and help a great cause.
CHAMOIS or something like that.
You got the tall guy on the roof.
That's it. Specialist LGV cleaner.
Yeah, tons of enthusiasm, getting all the nooks and crannies that I can be asked to get into. You probably wouldn't enjoy this if you had a pristine Defender or something, but I don't really worry about mine, I mean, look, she's on her hands and knees at the front of the car, scrubbing down. I don't think I've ever washed that area so much before myself. You actually get a lot of water on the inside from this hosing down, but as long as you accept that, then it's worth it.
Once saw the fire brigade do a demonstration with a Discovery like this.
This is the best bit though. Icing on the cake. Get you to park your Defender where the fire engines go.
Which do you prefer?
Just looks like it belongs there, doesn't it? And then, I've never done this in my Defender.
I haven't seen it this clean in ages.
Hey?
I haven't seen it this clean in ages.
They got the chamois out and they dried it on a rainy day as well. I mean, the service is just unbelievable. It's like every kid's dream is to get inside a fire engine.
Right, we're holding up the queue. You want to jump down?
Come on.
Good boy.
There we go. I'm going to get in the car again now. Did you say it was better than Daddy's car? Fire engine's better than Daddy's car.
Sorry, fire engine is now better than your car.
You don't get that every day, do you? You get to sit in fire engine. That's worth 20 quid to not have to do it yourself. I was wondering how they were going to do the roof, but then they've got a guy that's 6'8".
Anyway, go and check out the website. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.